Formal letter. Concepts covered. Letter of complaint, letter of inquiry, letter to place order, letter to the editor. Introduction. Writing a formal letter is a great way to engage with a topic you're passionate about and to influence public opinion. Here are tips to write a formal letter. Tip number 1. Properly write your postal address, email address, phone number, or any other contact information. Tip number 2. Write a simple salutation. Tip number 3. State the argument you are responding to. Provide evidence and say what should be done. Tip number 4. Give a simple closing. Tip number 5. Keep the tone formal or business like, but always polite and courteous. Tip number 6. Keep the language formal, straightforward and clear. There should not be any ambiguity, which is aspashtata. Format of formal letter. Sender's address, date, receiver's designation and address, subject. In subject, statement should not be very lengthy. Then salutation, which could be sir or ma'am. Then body of the letter should be in 3 paragraphs. Complimentary closing. Never use apostrophe in yours. Write full name if it is given. Here's a sample letter. The question is, you are Kavita Khanna, a resident of 50 C, Pushp Vihar, New Delhi. Write a letter to the editor of India Today magazine based on the article on ban on poly bags published in the latest edition. Answer. 50 C, Pushp Vihar, New Delhi. Leave 1 line spacing, then write the editor, India Today, New Delhi. Again, leave 1 line spacing. Subject, ban on polybags. Spacing. Sir, through the columns of your esteemed or reputed newspaper, I wish to share my views on polybags which are largely used these days. I totally agree with the views published in the article Ban on Polybags. It is a fact that polybags are harmful due to their non-biodegradable nature. They don't decompose, instead they choke the drainage system. Most animals eat them and die in the long run. If they are burnt, their obnoxious smell pollutes the atmosphere. I wish that people at large, in their own interest and in the interest of Mother Earth, wake up to this problem. Everyone should stop using polybags. Jute bags, paper bags, etc. should take their place. I request you to publish this letter of mine in your newspaper so as to take everyone aware about the harm of polybags. Thank you. Yours truly, Kavita Khanna. Note, ma'am, which is M-A-M, is incorrect. Then ma'am, which is M-A apostrophe A-M. It is correct. Yours with an apostrophe is incorrect. Yours is correct.
Note, कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स जो ly पर एंड होते हैं एडजेक्टिव एंड वर्ब दोनों हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि डेली, अर्ली, मंथली, वीकली, नाइटली और ईयरली. एडजेक्टिव. शी गेट्स अ वीकली पेमेंट फ्रॉम हर एम्प्लॉयर, व्हिच मींस she gets money every week. Adverb. I pay my rent weekly, which means I pay my rent every week. Some words ending in ly are only adjectives and not adverbs. For example, costly, cowardly, deadly, friendly, likely, lonely, lovely, oily, orderly, scholarly, silly, smelly, timely, ugly, and wally. We enjoyed the trip to America, but it was a costly holiday. Oily fish is very healthy because it contains omega-3. Types of adjectives. Qualitative and classifying adjectives. Qualitative adjectives वो adjectives होते हैं जो किसी person and thing की किसी quality को describe करते हैं और बताते हैं कि वो कैसे हैं. उन्हें qualitative adjectives कहते हैं. For example, a tall man, a boring film, a long holiday, an expensive car. Note, A adjectives gradable होते हैं, अर्थात कुछ अन्य वर्ड्स इनके पीछे लगाकर इनके अर्थ के इफेक्ट को बढ़ाया या घटाया जा सकता है. For example, a fairly tall man, a very boring film, a really long holiday, an extremely expensive car. Classifying adjectives, वो adjectives जो किसी person and thing को classify करते हैं या उनको category बताते हैं, उन्हें classifying adjectives कहते हैं. Do you read a daily newspaper or a weekly one? Does your house have an electric oven or a gas oven? The Western Hemisphere, an annual event. The external walls, a nuclear weapon. Note, A adjectives gradable नहीं होते हैं, अर्थात कुछ अन्य वर्ड्स इनके पहले लगाकर इनके अर्थ के इफेक्ट को बढ़ाया या घटाया नहीं जा सकता. इनके कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म्स भी नहीं होते, अर्थात इनको इस तरह नहीं लिखा जा सकता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट इज वेरी एनुअल इवेंट. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. This is more nuclear than that. This is also incorrect. Attribute and predicative adjectives. लगभग सभी adjectives दो तरह से sentences में use होते हैं. जब वो noun के पहले use होते हैं तो वो attributive adjective कहलाते हैं. For example, a black cat, a gloomy outlook, a slow journey, a large suitcase. एवं जब A verb के बाद use होते हैं तो predicative adjectives कहलाते हैं. For example, the cat was black. The future looks gloomy. The journey was slow. They were looking tired. लेकिन कुछ adjectives ऐसे हैं जो दोनों में से किसी एक पोजीशन पर ही use हो सकते हैं.